Hello guys, welcome back to TS TikTok video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a highlight on your Facebook application. So in order to create a highlight on your Facebook application, all you need to do again is open your Facebook application, make sure you're already logged in, and then the next thing you do is just on the top right hand corner where you see this menu icon, this one right here, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, just go ahead and click on your profile area to view your profile. Just click on the view your profile option. So once you click on the view your profile option, this will appear, and the next thing you need to do in order to create your stories highlight is go ahead and scroll down a little, scroll down some more, scroll down again, keep going, and then you see stories highlight. So from this stories highlight, you can notice there is a plus icon in between this image right here, and there is also a add new. So go ahead and click on this plus icon since we don't have any stories yet on our Facebook application. So all you need to do is to go ahead and select what you want to turn into a highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and check some images right here which are also cool, but I'm going to remove any image that is going to personal. So okay, so we are good to go. Once you're done on your highlights, just go ahead and give the highlight a name, whatever name you prefer. Just choose it and then say so whatever name you choose, just give it a name, and then once you're done, just go ahead and click on save. So it's going to be saving your highlight for you. So after it's been saved, it's going to display on your highlight area, and you can notice you can share some memories or interests by adding stories to your profile. So after sharing this particular stories highlight, it's going to display for other users. So in order for us to see this highlight properly, let's go ahead and view the image as. So what this does, it actually views it as a public, not as the person using it. So you can notice our stories highlight right here. It's showing only one story highlight. So once you click on it, okay, actually this shows very well for us. Once you click on it, we are supposed to be able to see all the stories highlight, but because we are not a real person, so for some reason I think Facebook messed up with this application. But what it does, it shows your highlight right here, and once the person clicks on the image, it will display all the image that appears on your highlight. So that's what your story highlight does for you. So let's go ahead and exit our view as, and then still scroll down. Let me show you guys how to add new highlights. Although let me click on this so that you see how it works. So you can see all our highlights right here. Nothing changed actually. So let me back out. So to add a new highlight, just go ahead and click on add new. The reason why it was showing the way it showed before now was because we didn't have any highlights on it. So once you've clicked on your application, just go ahead and scroll right down, pick any image you want, and then pick any image you want, and then click on done, and then give it a name. So once you're done with the name, go ahead and save. And you can also add more images to the highlight if you would like to. So you can notice we have two highlights now displaying. So for some reason, if we want to add more, we can still go ahead and add more highlights. So this is just how to add highlights on your Facebook application. So on the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys more videos on how to edit and delete highlights if you want to. So thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk, and if you have any question, please leave your comment below. And for some reason, if you need to request for any video, still leave your comment below and I'm going to respond to that. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Please share it with your friends also. It will be very much appreciated of you. Thank you.